I'm not looking at the eclipse, I'm looking back away from it. I want to watch the shadow come across. And then hear all the oohs and ahs. Ooh, ah. That's right.
Oh my God, that is.
That's why us amateurs do this. It's for the oohs and the ahs.
Yes.
Watch the shadow. Oh yeah, look at that.
She's all set.
Barely there.
Just a
little bit. Light green's coming soon.
It's only going to be for a minute.
I know, but it's still like, I know.
Spread it out.
That one was there.
Yeah, it's not gonna be long. I couldn't find it because I was the last time I tried to look.
Go ahead and look through there. You can tell me when you think it's gone. Did you get the big binoculars out?
Yeah, they're right behind you. Still in their bag.
Use those. Well, the problem is I can't hold still.
I know.
Almost there.
Yeah, you know, I can see the mountains along the edge of the moon.
Yeah, that's what's cool about it.
Yep. Craters.
Just wait until totality to be able to see them even better.
Must have a different challenge. Not even a sliver left. There's just started.
At what point did we look for the shadow? Pretty quick. It's almost there.
It's like a super dark start right now.
Yeah, no, I can't wait, buddy.
Looking out to the southwest, the moon's going to be coming out of the southwest.
Charlie.
You see the angle
Daddy, read with
cover.
me. Brianna's text.
You'll be able to see the shadow. If the clouds don't attenuate it, you'll be able to see the shadow very soon now.
Yeah, exactly.
Here
we go.
Notice all the lights are out, it's on back down.
Yep. Almost. Oh my gosh, it's so close.
I don't know.
Fireworks.
You get mine crazy over there.
Oh, hey, it's because we're just seconds away now.
This is so wild if you look around. It's so good.
Oh, so strange.
Like the street lights is
It
getting
is.
That's amazing.
Street lights can
Oh my God. Wow. Just get out there.
literally fool the street.
Charlie, take your glasses off.
Time and rings about to happen.
It's like a ring if you sit back. There's a ring around the
Look at the moon shadow. Coming in.
Oh my!
See
Yep,
the
there
dark?
it is!
See the dark?
Such a tiny glass.
It's coming in. It's right here now.
Almost there.
Diamond ring.
Here comes diamond ring. Here it comes. Look at the shadow hitting us.
Oh my God.
Wow.
God, it's going.
Oh, listen to the cheers.
What? Oh my God, that's crazy.
Look at that.
All right, you got 3 minutes.
I can
3
take
minutes.
Oh my.
3 minutes.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, that is crazy.
That is so
Take these
cool.
and I'll take a look. No, they're not so Ah, look at the prominences. Oh, man.
This is so cool.
Yeah.
Oh my
What's
goodness.
See it with the solar.
5 o'clock, is that a planet or a star?
Wow.
Oh,
That's
there we go.
Venus
Oh,
there.
God.
And now that they turned on the lights, I can't see any. Jupiter's up there.
awesome.
There's Jupiter overhead. That's Venus down there.
Oh my God.
3 minutes.
Venus.
Oh my God.
There's too many clouds to see the others, I'm afraid.
Jupiter was somewhere.
Oh my God.
Jupiter off to the right, lower right.
Lower right.
That's Jupiter? Or
I'm sorry, that's Venus there. That's Venus. Jupiter's overhead here.
Overhead. Jupiter's overhead.
Right there.
And Venus.
And the comet's hiding behind the clouds.
Yeah.
Over there.
What about Venus?
Where's Venus?
Oh my
Over
God! Look
there.
at the prominences here.
Right above us.
Jupiter is up above. Venus is on the other side of the sun.
What? That is so
Take another
cool.
look, hon. Look at the prominences around the edge.
Yeah, they're huge. Oh, wow.
Oh, what's
That's, they're, right there. I was going to take pictures. This is fun. Oh, I wish my camera took pictures. Good pictures. Take a look.
Oh man, look at that. This is a nice view. That prominence down at the bottom. Huge.
How crazy is that?
Yeah, it's huge.
Red dot on the bottom. Wow.
That's a big solar flare, a prominence.
That's
Wow.
Oh, yeah, I see
With
it.
color.
Venus?
Oh, this isn't going to take a good picture.
Don't
The
bother.
corona is too bright.
Yeah, don't worry. And all the white flaring going out, that's the corona, the outer atmosphere of the sun. And that's one of the reasons you come to see a total, is you can't see that corona otherwise.
Oh my gosh, yes, I see that prominence on the bottom.
Naked eye.
Naked eye.
With color. I mean,
Isn't that something?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow, look at that little red.
Twilight's coming. Look, it's got dark to the west or the east.
Come here, it's coming.
Yep.
We're going to lose. We're going to lose.
Diamond ring's gonna come soon. We're
Take a
almost
peek
done.
if you don't mind.
Quick. You gotta do it quick because diamond ring is coming and it'll burn your eye otherwise.
Me too,
You'll have to get the filter back on.
Here comes diamond ring. That's it.
Oh my God!
That was amazing.
Oh my God!
Look at, there goes the shadow.
Yep, the shadows.
There goes, there it goes.
Twilight's moving along. The shadows going east of us now.
That's amazing.
And it's daytime. That's daytime again. It's street light.
Yes, it was.
Unless you don't see it for
It's
your lifetime.
street light.
I contemplated staying home. I'm glad I did. I'm glad I did
No,
not.
no, no. It was every,
What's that?
this
As I
3 minutes
contemplated
was
just
worth
staying
it.
home, I'm glad I did not. Oh yeah, I'm not going to make the next one across the U.S. in 45. Me either. I don't think. But I'm not going to Egypt in 2 years. I'm not doing that either.
Yeah, you want some more filter shots?
Oh my gosh.
So now it's time to pack it up and I'll go home.
All of a sudden it's daylight. There goes the moon.
Is that your first one, Gary? No, we went to Nebraska. Oh, okay. And I did take some pictures with an SLR
He just came down to me
back in
about 5 minutes.
'94 from my driveway in Sterling Heights, but I had no idea what I was doing or anything. Now you know why I didn't bother taking pictures. I wanted the
17, I
visual.
was like,
Yeah,
you see the clips?
that's the reason I didn't bring all my stuff to try and do it. This ain't my first rodeo. It was mine though.
Well, it was worth seeing, wasn't it?
When I was a little kid, there was an eclipse, and my mom told me and the neighbor kid, "Don't be looking at the sun today."
Yeah,
It's like
exactly.
we hid in the shadows behind the
Close the
houses all
curtains
day
and
long.
hide
We
you in the
didn't see
house.
nothing.
Yeah. When I was a kid, we had one. Yeah.
That was totally worth being out of school.
I'm gonna guess 1970
Even I'm a
early.
school
You
board
know,
member. It's cool being
I
out
was
of
born in
school.
'64. And I was 8.
Oh, okay, okay, got it. Yeah, right. Wink, 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 nod, nod.
It's too bad because, as you can see, it can be very safe. It's very fantastic.
Yes. I had one of the teachers when I worked with down in Virginia. She posted, "Can anybody go by the library and just pick your quota?" You know, I think they were giving out like 5, so she could have 27 for her kids to go out. I know they're not going to see that much in Virginia, but for them to go out and see it.
Just even see it right out of the sun.
Partials are cool. You watch them and kind of, they're okay for the first hour.
Yeah.
That event right there.
That is
That's the
amazing.
reason to come.
Yes.
Thanks
You
for
can
sharing
never see that
Thank
corona.
you. Thank you for sharing your telescope and your knowledge.
and your knowledge.
you're welcome.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh my God.
That was so cool.
I don't want to make him feel old, but he's been an amateur astronomer as long as I've been alive.
Well, he's wearing it well. He's wearing it well.
Yes, he is.
No. No, they don't fit with the cooler.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
That's your first
You know, you got a new country to go to, and you
Yeah. We went to 3 different states.
I know.
Warren, how you wait a week for these kids?
3 different states. And
Yes, it's only 3 minutes, but something that you will remember.
Canada.
Right.
Totally went skipping school.
Yeah.
Going to
And it's daylight.
That was cool though.
Oh, time to, huh? I need to turn that recording off.
And they had a phone.
All right.